Hello, this is Byron Cheatham with CytoViva, and today we're going to have another CytoViva video short talking about a really cool application, biology application, using CytoViva's hyperspectral microscope for rapid identification of anthraxes, which is the causative agent of anthrax. If we look at this image, this is an image on the left of the Bacillus anthracis, which is the causative agent for anthrax. On the right is a Bacillus glabellii, which looks almost identical to the anthraxis, but it's completely harmless. However, you can't tell the difference between these two ever by just looking at them. But using CytoViva's hyperspectral microscopy, we can capture spectral data from each of the two to determine that they're really different from a spectral analysis perspective. And with that spectral data, we can then use a spectral mapping algorithm. Here we're mapping Bacillus anthracis using the spectral library of Bacillus anthracis on itself. And we're doing the same thing by mapping in green Bacillus glabellii onto itself. But if I try to use the spectrum of Bacillus glabellii to map Bacillus anthracis, it doesn't, because the spectrum's very different. This is just another example of how hyperspectral microscopy can be used in biology, in this case, to identify anthraxis. Thank you.